You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we have the Air Jordan 6. This is the Air Jordan 6 Olympic. If you're familiar with our channel, you know we love retro Jordans over here, especially the 6s. Before we jump into it, we want to give a huge shout out to 1985 Gallery for letting us get an early look at these. But let's go ahead and dive into the details. Starting with the tongue, it consists of this rubberized material. It does have Air Jordan logo letters at the top. On the opposite side, you do have neoprene material. They come with oval laces in white and a dark red lace lock with a white Jumpman. The rest of the tongue consists of this neoprene material. You do have a neoprene lace cover in white with a red Jumpman embroidered on. And underneath that, for the rest of the tongue, is this neoprene in navy blue with perforated holes. Taking this to the toe box, you do have this dark navy on the synthetic leather that looks like tumbled leather, as there is a lot of texture to this leather. Taking us to the side panel of the shoe, you have more synthetic leather in white and navy blue. The white is the overlay that goes on top of the navy blue that has perforated holes on the quarter panel for breathability. Taking us towards the back of the shoe, you do have more of that synthetic leather that's sort of protruding out from the ankle with more perforated holes. On the opposite side of that, the sock liner is navy blue. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you have that signature Jordan 6 pull tab in this hard plastic material in both navy and white. Underneath that, on the heel cup, you have that Jumpman Air embroidered in red. Taking us to the midsole, you have a combination of 3 colors, white, navy, and then towards the heel, you have that translucent icy blue that goes around the Air unit. What you don't see is another Air unit in the forefoot encapsulated within the midsole. Taking us to the outsole, you have more of that navy color with that translucent icy blue, as well as a red Jumpman right in the middle. For those of you who might not know, the Jordan 6 made its debut in 1991. They were designed by Tinker Hatfield, who drew inspiration from MJ's Porsche 911. Jordan would sport the black and infrared pair during the 91-92 NBA Finals as the Bulls went on to beat the Lakers, and Jordan would win his first of 6 NBA championships. In the year 2000, Jordan brand started experimenting with adding newer colors to their classic models, like these ones here. I want to say these helped pave the way for other classics and new colors like the Jordan 3 in that mocha color, the Black Cat 4s, the Snakeskin 11s, and things of that nature. Jordan never sported these, but the Olympic Games were held in Sydney, Australia in 2000, and Ray Allen, who was Team Jordan and was also on Team USA, would sport these as Team USA would go on to win the gold medal. Over here at Shoot Your Shot TV, we love Olympic colors on our basketball shoes, especially those classic Jordan 7s from 1992 that he would sport in Barcelona, as well as the Air Force 180 that Charles Barkley would wear, and the Air Flight Light 2 that Chris Mullin and Scottie Pippen would wear. There's also another model that was never retroed. It's the Nike Ballistic Force that David Robinson wore while he was on the Dream Team. Nike, we need a retro. Fast forward to 1996, Scottie Pippen had a cool pair of Air More Tempos, and Penny Hardaway had a great pair of Zoom Flight 96s. They also did a structured Triax 96 in an Olympic colorway, that red, white, and blue with hits of gold. These right here are classic. We did review these along with the Air Flight Light 2 Olympic color. Make sure you check out that review. Put it right here for you. I remember seeing these back in high school on the shelves at Foot Action. I really wanted a pair, but they were out of my price range. I do have to give a shout out to my good friend Naka. I want to say this is his favorite pair of Jordan 6s, and I would see him wear his pair from 2000 all the way into 2009, 2010, and they were in great condition. They did retro in 2012, but there were subtle differences. The 2012 retro had the color blocking swapped, where it was navy on top and white on the bottom. But for the 2024 retro, they got it closer to the original from 2000, as well as including the oval laces. The 2012 pair came with the flat white laces. The Air Jordan 6 Olympic will be releasing on Saturday, August 3rd at a price point of $200 on Nike and other Nike retailers. If you're in the area, make sure you stop by 1985 Gallery to grab your pair. They always do first come, first serve. If you miss out online or if you miss out in store, you can always click our StockX affiliate link down below. Any purchase made using that link helps support our channel, and we appreciate all the support so we can keep these videos coming for you all. As far as comfort goes, the Jordan 6 is one of the more comfortable retro Jordans. I put it up there with the 7s and the 8s. You do have a wider toe box, so there's a lot of room there for your foot to just move around and have that flexibility. It's not the most cushioned, it's not the lightest, but you can definitely feel that air unit in the back of the heel, and you can also feel a little bit of that air unit in the forefoot. As far as sizing goes, I always go true to size of my Jordan 6s. As far as style is concerned, the Jordan 6 is one of the best looking, most iconic Jordans in the whole Jordan catalog. I love how it resembles MJ's Porsche, having that spoiler look with this heel tab. And it's just a really good looking silhouette. My favorite, of course, is the black and the infrared. I've owned a couple pairs of those over my days, but I really like this colorway as well. The color blocking's perfect. White, navy, hits of red, really goes good with the Olympic, that Team USA, right in time for the Olympic Games. But how do you all feel about the Olympic Jordan 6? Is this something you've been looking forward to picking up? What's your favorite Olympic colored basketball shoe? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you all. And if you haven't, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can be notified every time we drop new episodes. But let's go ahead and try these on.
It's about that time, I'm about to drop a tape. Back in 09, I used to sport the Jordan Aqua 8. But for this playoff run, I'm lacing up the playoff ones in black joints. Drop red coral, sleeping on my last joint. It's back to this pen and pad. Scheme on things I never had. Lost a couple down, big wow. Now I gotta get it back, then bet it back. Money come and go, so just don't get attached. Hella stashed in my nest egg, but I might let it hatch. And these ain't khakis, dawg, because I never slack. Big pockets on these pants, hold like 27 racks. You know I tried it. Can only stash a Visa and a drop it. It's giving Mona Lisa every single time that I spit. I've been on autopilot, navigating through this life shit, making sacrifices. Rather die if I couldn't provide for my kids. Minks and diamonds, resorts and islands. Switch the climate, if you threaten mines, then I'd resort to violence.
If you enjoyed this review on the Air Jordan 6 Olympic, make sure you check out all our other retro Jordan reviews. We have a bunch for you all to watch and enjoy. Hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.